Hey, you want to be famous again?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah. Smile.
Smile.
He's a pendejo.
Hey. No bad words.
Yeah, no bad words. Look at the baby bird we got. His name is Dr. Caramel. Oh, I thought it was dead. It's
Dr. Caramel, it moved and I am not getting anywhere near that bird.
Dr. Caramel.
Dr. Caramel is not.
Whoa!
Oh, there's some poop right
Gonna
there.
be a star.
There's poop right there, like right there.
And there. Oh yeah, there's
It's scared of light. It's scared of light, I think. Oh no, it's just scared. That's his nest right
It pooped 2 times. Stop. I only got a whistle on the wing.
Just stop it. Stop saying bad words. It's a B word.
No.
B word. Stop. Hey, that's his wing.
Put it back in there.
No, you just. Yeah. Yo, you gonna fight again? You gonna oh. Yo, whoa, oh. Oh, yo. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yo, stop. You
Wow.
feel great?
That didn't
You feel
hurt
great?
at all.
I
Feel
don't know what the hell I just watched. The girl.
I feel great. You feel great?
Oh, that's on you to poop.
I'm about to drop
And
down
the
and
light
see that bird.
on.
Drop down, see bird. You want to get a close up? You want to get this best close up in the universe?
I'll do it.
Want to give you the best close up?
See that baby bird?
His name is Caramel.
Let me give you
No,
the
it's
best
Dr. Caramel.
Let me give you the best care. Let me give you the
Ah!
best close up in the universe.
What the heck?
Look at this close up. Everybody, watch the close up. That
Oh!
was an awesome close
I
up.
won!
You know, you gotta admit that was the best close up in the universe, right?
No,
there.
it wasn't.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't think anyone's ever gotten closer to the bird.
Nike.
Someone has gone closer to that.
I just put the camera in its face, touch the bird with its face, and
Whoa,
actually,
it's like right there.
they zoom in.
No, that was a bad call. No, it wasn't. I
because
can
you
do
touch
better.
The camera.
Yeah, do that dance again.
What the? You gotta put the horns on you.
He just got a heart.
Yeah, we're hacking hard.
Oh god,
Let's see you dance.
he's crazy, and I know it. What the hell am I doing?
Now, guys.
His is great.
Let me end this video.
Yeah, end this.